Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on a Cadillac ATS. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various extensions, and a specialized spark plug socket. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns and ensure proper component handling. Next, you'll need to access the spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which usually just pulls off. Once the ignition coils are visible, disconnect the electrical connectors from each one. These often have a small tab you press. After that, unbolt and gently remove each ignition coil from its position, setting them aside in order. Now it's time for the actual replacement. Using your spark plug socket and an extension, carefully loosen and remove each old spark plug. Take a moment to inspect them for any signs of unusual wear, which can indicate other engine issues. Before installing the new ones, ensure they are correctly gapped. Then, thread them in by hand to avoid cross-threading, and finally, torque them to the manufacturer's specified setting. With the new spark plugs in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click into place, and reconnect their electrical connectors. Then, securely attach the engine cover. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Start the engine and listen for smooth operation, then take it for a short test drive to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.